A major leak has just dropped, and it's big, literally. According to new reports, Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max, expected to launch this September, could feature the largest battery ever seen in an iPhone. If true, this would mark a significant leap in battery life, addressing one of the most requested upgrades from users. Magnifying glass tilted left. What the leak reveals. The leak comes from Weibo user Instant Digital, a source with a mixed but occasionally accurate track record. According to their post, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could pack a battery close to 5,000 mAh, up from the 4,676 mAh battery in the current iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's nearly a 10% increase in capacity. Straight ruler, a thicker iPhone for a bigger battery. Rumors have long suggested that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be slightly thicker than its predecessor. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is 8.25 mm thick, while the 17 Pro Max is expected to measure around 8.725 mm. That extra half millimeter could be the key to fitting in the larger battery without compromising comfort in hand. Gear battery life expectations. Apple claims the iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers up to 33 hours of battery life. With the rumored increase in capacity, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could push that number to 35 hours or more. For comparison, iPhone 13 Pro Max, 28 hours. iPhone 14 Pro Max, 29 hours. iPhone 16 Pro Max, 33 hours. iPhone 17 Pro Max expected 35+ hours. However, experts caution that battery capacity doesn't always translate directly to longer battery life. Factors like software optimization, display efficiency, and new hardware features all play a role. Brain, what else is changing? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also rumored to include a trio of 48MP rear cameras, an upgraded 24MP front-facing camera, potential vapor chamber cooling for better thermal management. While earlier rumors hinted at a redesigned dynamic island for the Pro Max, recent reports suggest Apple may keep it consistent across the lineup. Camera with flash. Pro Max versus Pro, what's the difference? Historically, Apple has reserved certain features, like advanced camera tech, for the Pro Max models. But this time, the main differentiator might be battery life. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to share the same camera setup, making the larger battery the standout feature for power users. Puzzle piece. Final thoughts. If these leaks hold true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be a game-changer for users who prioritize battery life. While the design may not change drastically, the internal upgrades, especially the battery, could make it the most reliable iPhone yet for all-day performance.